Hello everyone, good morning. This is Rini and the bulletin today starts with AMD and Fujitsu partner to develop AI and HPC platforms. Elon Musk filed injunction against OpenAI over profit model. UPI records 15.48 billion transactions in November. Registers YOI growth. Rockstar teases a groundbreaking features for GTA 6. AI-Tech unveils space-rated subsystems for advanced applications. Samsung 2 End DeX for PC with One UI 7 update. Australia targets a big tech with a proposed competition law. In previous quiz, we asked you what does the term PIC stand for? The answer is Programmable Logic Controller. It's time for a daily tech quiz. Here's today's question. What does DVD stand for? Confident you have got the answer. Drop your guess in the comments below. Tune in tomorrow's news bulletin to find out you have nailed. AMD and Fujitsu Limited have signed a strategic memorandum of understanding MOU to collaborate on creating innovative computing platform for artificial intelligence and high performance computing. The partnership aims to deliver open source energy efficient solutions and integrating AMD's cutting edge GPU technology. With Fujitsu next generation ARM-based processor, Fujitsu Monaka, known for high performance and low power consumption, focusing on engineering, ecosystems, and businesses development. The collaboration seeks to accelerate AI-HPC initiatives by 2027, targeting cost-effective and sustainable computing infrastructure. Key efforts include joint platform development, software ecosystem enhancement, and global co-marketing activities. This alliance emphasizes the company's shared commitment to open source AI solutions, sustainability, and expanding AI use cases globally by leveraging advanced technologies. AMD and Fujitsu aim to support a societal adoption of AI while addressing energy and cost efficiency in data centers. Elon Musk has filed a preliminary injunction against OpenAI, allying anti-competitive practices and a deviation from its original non-profit mission. The lawsuit accuses OpenAI CEO Sam Altman, Microsoft, and board members of discouraging investment in competitors like Musk XAI and sharing a proprietary information with Microsoft. Musk claims OpenAI violated antitrust laws and defrauded him for $44 million in donations. The motion also highlights a potential conflicts of interest, including Altman's financial ties to Stripe. OpenAI payment processor. OpenAI dismissed the allegation as baseless, calling it Musk's fourth legal attempt. Meanwhile, XAI has secured a $5 billion in funding to challenge OpenAI in the AI space. The court will now decide to whether in half OpenAI transactions to for a profit structure. If granted, the injunction could significantly impact OpenAI operations and its partnership with the Microsoft and other entities. Unified Payments Interface processed 15.48 billion transactions is worth 21.55 lakh crore in November, marking a 6.6% decline in volume and 8.3% drop in value compared to October. Despite the monthly dip, UPI witnessed a 38% year-on-year growth in transaction count, 24% in value. Daily averages in November stood at 516 million transactions amounting to 71,840 crore. Recent changes by NPCI increased transaction limit for UPI Lite wallet and 123 pay to rupees 5 lakh, fostering adoption. PhonePe retained a dominant 47.66% market share in October, while Google Pay and payment held steady. Navy surpassed a Cred as the fourth largest UPI player. UPI's global expansion includes operations in countries like Sri Lanka, Singapore, and Mauritius, with a discussion ongoing in Africa and South America. The Indian government aims to achieve 1 billion daily UPI transactions by 2026-2027, supported by these enhancements. Rockstar Games has hinted at revolutionary features for Grand Theft Auto 6 following its win as Most Wanted Game, a 2024 a Golden Joystick Awards. Publishing director David Manley praised the team's efforts and promised fans for exciting updates soon. A second trailer is anticipated after the game's first trailer, released in December 2023, became a YouTube sensation. Scheduled for a fall 2025 release in a PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series XS. The game aims to surpass the record-breaking success of its predecessor, GTA 5, with no announcement yet for a PC version. Industry analysts predict GTA 6 will redefine the AAA gaming landscape. Rockstar and emphasize its commitment to innovation, in highlighting fans' expectation for what could be the franchise's most ambitious project to date. AI-Tech Defense Systems Inc. based in a Chatsworth, CAF has introduced a radiation-tolerant electronic subsystems tailored for military and commercial space missions. These advanced systems addresses the rising demand for a faster development and cost efficiency in satellite buses, payloads, and subsystems. The offering include Earth observation subsystem with integrated hardware and software for a real-time data processing and high-resolution imagery. Communication subsystems, connectivity for internal and the external systems, cameras, and local edge computing. For payload sharing is a satellite bus interfacing, competition, and data handling subsystems, enhance mission management for satellite consultations and SOMs. Power control systems ensure a smooth operation by limiting output power and switching times for prevent systems disruptions. Robotic subsystems provide advanced power and signal control for motors and servo devices, improving autonomy and adaptability and rugged conditions. AI Tech solution aims to advance Earth observation, communication, power management, and robotics in a space application. Samsung plans to discontinue its DeX for PC features, with the Android 15 based One UI 7 expected to launch alongside Galaxy S25 series in January 2025. DeX allows users to project their phone screens onto a larger displays and transfer a file seamlessly. While the feature's removal is unconfirmed, hints from a Samsung website suggest it will shift for a Microsoft native link to Windows feature for a PC a phone integration. This change aligns with the Windows PC's evolving capabilities, ensuring continued functionality. Samsung's decision has raised questions about long-term strategy for mobile desktop integration. The beta release of One UI 7 is anticipated soon, offering a more clarity on the feature's fate. Australia has proposed a law to fine global tech companies up to a $50 million for surprising competition and restricting consumer choice. Assistant Treasurer Stephen Jones highlighted the digital economy challenges, citing tactics like inflated cost, reduced option, and app favoritism. The law empowers the Australian Competition and Consumer Commission to enforce compliance and investigate anti-competitive practices. Focus initially on app marketplace and ad tech services. Google 93% search dominance and Meta 79% shares in a social media underline the need and intervention. The law aims to prevent a preferential treatment for native services over third-party offering and penalize unfair practices. This follows Australia's broader crackdown on big tech, including a recent ban on a social media used children under 16, reflecting a global efforts to regulate tech giants. This is what for today's news. With more such tech update, make sure to stay tuned for IT Voice.